So class, today we are going to start with narration of imperative sentences. Earlier what we have done narration of all the different type of tenses. In that we have done and revised the rules of tenses. And for that what we have revised, if we just recapitulate what we have done, simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into, and simple past will change into past perfect. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And past tense, no change. In case of future tense, will and shall will be changing into only would. Would. Kritika, I have explained this clearly in the online classes. Why? Why? And I have explained. You haven't attended those. You were regular in the classes. Okay. So finally, and can into could, may into might, rest of the changes you are very well aware of, right? Saksham, you remember now? Okay. Now, next we are going to start with narration of imperative sentences. What are the first thing is that what are imperative sentences? Yes, the sentences in which some kind of command, request, order is given. For example, I said the teacher said to the students, work hard. How it will be changed? The teacher said, the teacher told, the teacher advised the students to work hard. What kind of sense is being given in imperative sentence? That word is introduced. If it is an advice, use advice. If it is an order, use order. Okay. And here, very good. He requested me to pass the salt. Then please will be omitted. Because in case of please, what we have used requested. And the other important thing is that conjunction that we haven't used, that to nahi na humne use ki. What we have introduced to. To humne introduce kar diya. And with infinitive to, we are making the tense. Now, another important thing is that we are not observing the rule of change of tenses. Tense ko humne change hi nahi kiya isme. This is one, you can say, benefit. Okay, because these are one of the easier and simplest ones. Just understand it carefully. How it can be done. Very carefully. Okay, so now for that, first of all, we will write down the rules. Okay. Right, so let us start in your fair notebooks. Imperative sentences. Okay. Now in case of imperative sentences, I am writing on the board. You will just note down the rules side by side. Okay. So let us start. First is imperative sentences give a sense of command, request, advice, or it can be a suggestion also. Okay, so it is giving different kind of, you can say, sense. Next, the important thing is that we are not using conjunction that. Okay, so write down next point. Conjunction that is not used. We haven't used that. Conjunction that is not used. We are not using conjunction that. Okay. Next, third important point is imperative mood. Is changed to infinitive mood. Okay, so what is there? That imperative mood, it is changed to infinitive mood. What is the meaning of this? For example, yes, very good. Okay, it means that we are not using conjunction, that we are not using, and in place of that we are introducing to. And write the rest of the sentence in the same manner. Priyansh, you got now? Okay. Request, advice, or suggestion. Clear now? So, for example, the teacher said, "Don't make noise." The teacher ordered the boys not to make noise. Okay, so wherever do not is there, so do will be omitted and not to is introduced. Okay, not to, yes, right. Now, can I rub this first too? Next is case of negative imperatives. Auxiliary do is removed and not to is introduced. Right? So what we are doing, see here, for example, the teacher said to the boys, "Do not make any noise." Yes, Priyansh, how it will be made? Priyansh will tell me. The teacher said to the boys, "Do not make any noise." Completely forgotten, that तो हमने use ही नहीं करना. Yes. Ordered the boys, to नहीं लगेगा फिर. Infinitive mood. And whenever negative imperatives are there, then to is removed and not to is. Ma'am, you did it. Right? Now, next, in case of imperatives, we have further two different types. Now, if let is used, okay, if there is let, okay, and what let denotes?
सिर्फ परमिशन तो लो।
may means maybe denotes permission. That denotes permission. Then it is changed into imperative let's. It is imperative that is changed to imperative to let's. Okay, note down this point. Huh? Yeah, right. Example of this. Anil said Sulekha. Anil said to Sulekha, comma important comma start. Let me do this work. Let me do this work. Let this work. Anil requested Sulekha to let him do that work. Okay. Please. Yes. Okay. So this is the one part. But now the next part is if let expresses proposal. Here we have written if let expresses permission. Then reporting verb में हम क्या लगाते हैं? Reporting verb is changed or suggested is changed to or suggested. Okay, let expresses proposal. Then reporting verb is changed to or suggested. And what we use we should. And let is replaced by and let is replaced by should. Means that when we use propose or suggested that what we are using should. Here write down the example for this. Suppose I said to them, let us go for swimming. I said to them, let us go for swimming. I suggested them that we should go because where we are using that we should, then that we will use that we should go for swimming. I suggested them that we should go for swimming. Write down the answer, please.
इसमें स्ट्रीम में चेंज होगा और स्ट्रीम में चेंज होगा इसमें हम
change of pronouns will be there. Change of pronouns we will do. Right? Change of pronouns is definitely good. So what rules we have done? Speak the first rule.
imperative sentences become a part of request, advice, and suggestion.
A sense of command. And second point.
Conjunction that is not
Conjunction that is right.
imperative is imperative.
Right.
In case of negative imperatives, auxiliary to is removed and not to is introduced.
Who is removed then afterwards
If the word yet denoted permissions, it is changed to infinitive. If let expresses reporting verb is changed to proposed or suggested, and let is replaced by should.
right. I don't think so now you will have any problem. Please give it to me. Okay. So now it is clear to you all. Okay. Fine. All the rules will be remembered. Priyansh now got. Okay. Now you let us do the changes. Okay. I'm writing some examples. Let us do. Yes. Write down at the top heading. Narrate the following sentences. Give the heading. Narrate the following sentences. Narrate the following sentences. First is the principal said to the peon, let the boy come in. Yes, raise up your hands. Yes, Priyansh, Rhythm.
The principal suggested
Ordered.
The peon let the boy come in.
Because it is order and let will be changed to let. To let the boy come in. Very good. So note it down in your notebooks. Next is the boy said to him, let me do work now. Let me do work now. Yes. Who will speak? Yes. You can give the answer. बेटा अगर suggested आ गया तो फिर to नहीं आएगा. The boy suggested him. First of all, it is not a suggestion. It's a request. The boy requested him
To let him do the work then.
to let him do the work then. If suggestion will be there, then we are going to use should. So it's not a suggestion. Sit down. To let him do the work, then now will change into then. Okay. Next. The king said to his servants, go away at once. Go away at once. Yes, you stand up first, boy. Yes, Pita, stand up. Yes, give me the answer. Good. Very good. To go away at once. Yes, commanded can also be there. The king ordered his servants. I'm moving aside. The king ordered his servants to go away at once. Next, you said to him, you said to him, please lend me 500 rupees. Please lend me 500 rupees. Please lend me 500 rupees. Yes. Kritika.
You requested him lend her or him.
To lend you.
You में कोई और भी तो हो सकती है.
If you think that it is you said to him.
Third person.
Why you said? See here, third person को हर में कैसे चला है? You said to him. See, I'm speaking. You said to him that you said to him to let you lend. To let you lend.
You said to him to lend you.
To let you lend 500 rupees. Okay. You requested him. Please is there? Yes, please. You requested him to lend you.
Five.
Yes, okay. To lend you 500 rupees. To lend. Okay. Next one is, I said to him, I said to him, let us go to the river for swimming. Let us go to the river for swimming. Yes. Okay. Where suggestion is there, we use we should. We should के साथ बनाओ. हाँ, change it with we should. That we should go to the river for swimming. Write down. To lend you 500 rupees. So how it will be changed? Because I requested him that we should go to the river for swimming. Why we have written we should? Because it's a suggestion. When we are using should, तो that आएगा. Okay. Next is, the judge said, call the next witness. Call the next witness. How it will be changed now? Yes. The judge ordered or judge commanded to call the next victim. Very good. The judge ordered or commanded to call the next witness. Speak all. How it will be changed?
The judge commanded to call the next witness.
To call the next victim. Now, little bit change in the next. The captain said, march forward my men. The captain said, march forward my men. Yes, try.
The captain commanded the men to march forward.
Very good. The captain commanded his men. His men to march forward. Very good. So speak again how it will be changed.
The captain commanded his men to march forward.
Very good. The captain commanded his men to march forward. To march forward. To infinitive is used. Next is, now the next one is, sorry, I write down again. Next is, the mother said to me, work properly. Yes. What will be the answer?
The mother commanded me to work.
It is actually advice. Advice. Advise me. Commanded we are using when someone is in authority. She is advising. Okay. The mother advised me to work properly. The mother advised me to work properly. Next, the teacher said to the boys, take out your books. The teacher ordered the boys to take out their books. To take out their books. Last one, I said to her, please give me your book. Sorry, please. Okay, please give me your book.
I requested her, please give me.
I requested her के बाद to के साथ please नहीं आएगा.
I requested her
To give me her book. To give me her book. And that's all for the different type of examples of imperative sentences. I suggested him that we should go to the river for swimming. Yes, should के साथ that and suggestion है इसलिए we have used should. So that's all students for today. And in the next class we will do the exclamatory. Yes, before that we will do exclamatory, but before that we will also do the poem, The School Boy.